In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a TikTok business account. We'll keep this simple and clear. A TikTok business account gives you access to analytics and tools designed for brands, and you can switch from a personal account in just a few taps. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for your business presence. If you manage more than one profile, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, go to the menu. On most devices, you'll find this by tapping the More button, which looks like 3 lines in the top corner of your profile. This opens up your main settings area where TikTok keeps all account options. From here, choose Business Suite. This is the hub for professional tools. If your layout looks a little different, the option can appear under Settings and Privacy, but the wording Business Suite should be the same. Give it a second to load. Inside Business Suite, select TikTok for Business. This is where TikTok explains what a business account includes and how it connects with the platform's business tools. When you're ready, tap Get Started. You might see a brief overview of features or terms. Read through the highlights so you know what's changing on your account, such as access to performance insights. Then tap Continue to confirm. This tells TikTok to convert and connect your current profile to the business experience. Wait for the confirmation screen. It usually takes just a moment. Once it's done, your account is successfully connected as a business account. A quick note on what to expect afterward. Your profile will work the same, but you'll now have access to extra tools inside Business Suite, like performance metrics and promotional options. The main navigation doesn't change, so you can keep creating and posting as usual. If you don't immediately see Business Suite after tapping More, scroll through the menu and look for the same label, since interface labels can vary slightly by region and app version. Staying on a stable internet connection helps the setup complete quickly. That's it. You opened TikTok, logged in, went to More, chose Business Suite, tapped TikTok for Business, hit Get Started, and then continue to finalize the connection. You're all set to explore your new business tools whenever you're ready.